Yeah, you know. A nice today, Wednesday, Tuesday, nice Tuesday, you know. Just see Circle Beach, man, one of my most favorite beach in Portland, Sunshine Beach, you know. Yeah. Don't see far down, I just come do a backflip, you know. One of my most favorite things to do at the beach, just a backflip, you know. Far. We're not going to go there.
Don't try this at home.
After the vlog, that's still not there.
I feel that one, bro. I feel that one, bro. I feel that one.
What is it? Right that one there?
A big fucking one, yeah.
I'll be a fucker. Oh yeah. So right now, me and the dog are going to like a diving kind of competition. There is like a forward t-shirt mats. Move a bit longer.
Well, dog.
Pussy Rose greatest, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, man. Michael Phelps now up against them, man. Yeah. The top diver, yeah. Exercise. Yeah.
See me!